Okay, I want to do a little video of me driving my truck around. So let's go ahead and get in and start it up and take it for a drive. Here, I'm gonna pull the choke a little bit. A little gas. Okay, let it warm up a little bit. All the gauges are working. Okay, just gonna go on a drive around the block here. Blinkers are working. Gonna do brakes work. Check out the gauges. All the gauges are working here. Faster. Slow down. I'll burn this red light. Has about 297 miles since I rebuilt the motor. And that's just driving it around on the weekends, basically. Finally, we have a nice sunny day today. It's been kind of rainy and bad weather for the last couple of days, but all the blinkers work, all the lights work, everything works. Headlights, blinkers, tail lights, it's all legal. Have all the papers, got it inspected at the DMV. And that's it.